In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Shattered Gold here on the M8A1 in Black Ops 7. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, go ahead and equip this weapon, and what you're going to want to do is go into your gunsmith and then go over to this customize tab. Go ahead and navigate into this camo section right here and into the multiplayer tab, and the first 9 camos right here are going to be your military camos. Essentially, all you got to do is get 80 headshots with the M8A1, and this is actually super easy to do with actually all of the marksman rifles. What I would recommend doing is playing something like Domination or Hardpoint, or really any objective-based game modes, and essentially just sitting outside of that objective and lining up headshots as people are running in. When nuke time does come out, this is super duper easy to go ahead and knock out, especially on Domination with people just running down those 2 lanes. But it's also pretty easy to knock out if you're inside that little middle zone in hijacked, and as people are running down from those lanes, just go ahead and line up those headshots. This shouldn't take too long in a marksman rifle. You should be able to knock this out a little quickly. I will say, with the way that the bullet spread is here on the M8A1, you're going to want to aim just a little bit above their head because it goes down a little bit, and you really want that headshot to be the final blow that gives you that kill, so it does count for you. For the Diamondback camo, you gotta get 50 eliminations with the 4.0 magnification scope equipped. I really don't like this scope, I'm going to be honest, but you only have to get 50 eliminations, and you don't necessarily have to be zoomed in with it. And once again, you're going to want to play those objective-based game modes and essentially do the exact same thing that you did for these military camos. For Raptor, you got to get 15 long shots. I usually like to recommend shorter maps, but I'm going to be honest, longer maps are perfect for this because you do have to get that long range metal, unfortunately. If you use the 4x scope, this does make this a little bit easier, and it's only 15 of them. You could probably knock this out in 2 games max. For the mainframe camo, you just got to get a kill without taking any damage 30 times with the M8A1. What you do for the Raptor thing is going to be what you're going to want to do for this one as well, because you're probably not going to take damage if you're doing long shots anyways. Now you can play up close and personal. The M8A1 is by far one of the best guns in the entire game, so it's actually pretty easy to go ahead and kill people before they even damage you. But 30 kills isn't too bad. Moving on to Shattered Gold, though, you got to get 3 kills without dying 10 times. This is also pretty easy to do, especially if you're doing the same method that you use to get these long shots. Sit back on those objective-based game modes, line up some headshots, and get these kills easy. I like Domination for this because the spawns are a little bit more consistent, but Hardpoint or really any objective-based game mode would work for this as well. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. But that is how you can get Shattered Gold here on the M8A1. Before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.